Guys, this is Peter Soma with MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. I am standing on our remodeled 2020 350 SLX outboard. Let's take a look. This boat used to have 3 engines hanging off the back. Now we have 2. We have twin white 350 Mercury outboards. Nice power package for this boat. Redesigned seat here in the back. Obviously you can see that we do have a nice little spot for your feet here. Cup holders on both sides. Stereo remote over here. Nice 12-volt receptacles for your phones. This is a nice, great spot to hang out in the back. Again, a lot of room here. We can also take a spot there. And again, now we just have even more leg room, okay? Insulated storage here. Nice spot for some drinks. Again, this is just a great spot to hang out in the back of the boat. Working our way in, we can see the teak flooring all throughout the boat. Obviously, we have the nice SLX hardtop with the sure shade. So again, it'll kind of hang out the back here, give you a lot of coverage from the sun. It does have a moonroof option, so again, this will open up, give you a lot of nice sun in the cockpit of the boat. Again, remodeled version of the 350 SLX outboard, so the cockpit's a little different. We have our nice, spacious seating here. All right, we have a nice cushion here. It is sitting on the table mount, so you do have a cockpit table in here. Good entertainment area, but again, this is just a huge, huge spot to just lay down and kind of hang out. Our starboard side, we have our Kenyon cooktop, sink, cockpit fridge, and trash receptacle. You do have dedicated cooler storage. Working our way to the helm, we do have twin Simrad displays. All of our halo switching, touchscreen fusion stereo remote, spotlight controls, Axios propulsion system, 350 outboards, digital throttle shift. Nice little feature here that Simrad does with the GPS. It says handheld. The actual unit is in the cockpit or cabin but down below. All right, helm seat is nice and comfortable. Obviously we have the bolster, a nice Sea Ray stitching for the SLX line. Companion seat, same thing, double wide, bolster. For those of you who do know the 350 SLX, you will know that on the port side, they used to have the bathroom. Starboard side was the little cabin down below. They did swap it over. So now we will have a nice head compartment. Very, very spacious. Right, and the little cabin area, if you want to call it that. Nice spot to lay down. There is actually air conditioning in there. Little TV, and the other Simrad VHF unit. Working our way up to the bow. We do have 2 tables up here. They are being used as bow filler cushions. They are stored right here. So again, if these were in here, you just have two double seats there. Actually, a lot of leg room, a lot of space up there on the front. We're gonna have another cooler up there as well. And obviously the spotlight and the windlass anchor. All right, guys, again, this is Peter Soma with MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. If you have any questions about this or any other boat that we have, feel free to come in or visit us online. Thank you.